In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background and enable virtual background in Zoom. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your space or add a professional touch on calls, Zoom's virtual background feature is the way to go. We'll start by turning the feature on in your account settings, then I'll show you how to pick a background during a meeting. Begin by opening Zoom in your web browser and signing in. From the homepage, look for the navigation panel and scroll if you need to. Click My Account to open your personal dashboard. In there, find Settings. This is where Zoom keeps most of the features you can toggle on or off for meetings. Inside Settings, switch to the Meeting section. You'll see tabs across the top. Choose Meeting, then look for the subsection called In Meeting Advanced. This area contains optional enhancements that aren't turned on by default. Scroll down until you find Virtual Background. Flip the switch to turn it on. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to enable it. Go ahead and confirm. That's it for the setup in the web portal. Your account is now allowed to use virtual backgrounds. Next, open your Zoom desktop client and either start a new meeting or join one. In the meeting window, look to the bottom left where you see the Start/Stop Video button. Click the small arrow next to it to open the Video Options menu, then choose Choose Background. This opens the background picker. From here, select the background you want to use. Zoom includes a few defaults, and you can add your own images or short video clips if your computer supports it. Pick something with good contrast so Zoom can separate you from the background cleanly. A few quick tips for a clean look. Use even lighting and avoid strong backlight. If the option doesn't appear, confirm it's enabled on the web, update the Zoom app, or check with your admin. If performance lags, choose a simple still image instead of a video background. You're all set. Enable the feature once, then choose the background you want in each meeting and you'll be ready to present from anywhere.